Hello friends, welcome back to Pathshala. In today's class, we will discuss photosynthesis versus respiration. Means the difference between photosynthesis and respiration process. Photosynthesis process mainly occurs in plants and the respiration process occurs in all living organisms. So the first difference is the photosynthesis process mainly occurs in plants, rather I say that in green plants which have chlorophyll in their structure. But the respiration occurs in all living organisms. Second difference is in photosynthesis process the food is produced. So and the food is needed to construct the body parts. So the photosynthesis is a constructive process. It is also known as anabolic process. So the constructive process is also known as anabolic process. But in respiration, the food breaks down into simpler components and the energy stored in food is released to fulfill our body needs. So that is why the respiration is known as destructive process. It is the destructive process is also known as catabolic process. Thirdly, in photosynthesis, oxygen and glucose is produced. Whereas in respiration, carbon dioxide and water is produced along with some energy. Fourthly, the end product of the photosynthesis is oxygen and the end product of respiration process is carbon dioxide. In photosynthesis process, carbon dioxide and water is required to continue the photosynthesis process. Carbon dioxide and water is required, whereas in respiration process the glucose and oxygen is required. The sixth difference is the photosynthesis process occurs in presence of light. So in presence of light, the photosynthesis process occurs. The respiration process occurs in all time, means in night time as well as in daytime, means when the in presence of the sunlight. So the photosynthesis process occurs only in light medium or when the sunlight is present, but in case of respiration occurs all the time throughout the night and the daytime. Next difference is or the last difference is in photosynthesis process food, or rather I say the glucose is formed, but in case of respiration the food or the glucose breaks down to release what energy? Breaks down to release energy. Wait, there are another difference. So in photosynthesis process, the energy, that is the energy present in sunlight, transformed into chemical energy. So in sunlight, the chemical energy, light, or the light energy rather I say, the light energy is converted into chemical energy. But in this case, or the respiration case, the chemical energy is converted into heat energy, or some usable energies also that we need to fulfill our body requirements. So there are 8 differences between photosynthesis and respiration process. Hope you will enjoy the session. Thank you so much.